Connected Places Catapult are the UK's innovation accelerator for cities, transport and places. As part of the DFT-funded Drone Pathfinder Catalyst programme, we're showcasing the growing potential for drone operations across UK industries. Today we're working with the Environment Agency's Anglian Coastal Monitoring Programme and Surveyar to see how drones can be used to monitor the UK's changing coastline.
Surveyar enables clients to make data-led decisions by providing environmental surveys and land condition surveys using the latest drone technology, sensors, underpinned by rigorous scientific analysis. Traditional ground-based surveying methods require a person to be at the point of surveying. So that could be a risky point at the top of an unstable cliff or at the bottom of an unstable cliff or in an area of coastline that could be cut off by the tide. The second aspect is that the data is often quite sparse.
The Anglian Coastal Monitoring Programme collects topographic and bathymetric data and aerial photography for our partner organisations between the Humber and Thames estuaries to support them with their coastal management decision making. The high-level aims of coastal monitoring are to establish a long-term data set from which to derive statistics such as the maximum and average rates of change. This helps managers determine the condition of their beaches in the context of the historical dataset.
Using rotary wing drones we can access all kinds of areas relatively easily, cover about a kilometre of coastline, and with high resolution colour cameras, multispectral cameras to look at vegetation and thermal cameras, we can really offer great insights into the environment.
The data captured today and previously by the drone has been before and after a particular event, Storm Arwen, so we can quantify beach lowering and cliff recession using the two surveys.
So drones, for me, actually have really changed the face of what we can do in a lot of science areas. And for coastal monitoring, that allows us to use a variety of different cameras and sensors that are relatively low cost compared to other methods, and make these measurements routinely and repeatedly to gather a rich data set. For coastal surveying, the next steps, I think, are to increase the range of drones that they can fly in a single flight. That is essentially moving towards beyond visual line of sight. The second aspect is something we're working on, which is delivering the data to the client in a very usable format, where the user can visualise the data very easily as if they were there.
The UK is on a journey towards unlocking the benefits of the data that drones can provide. To find out more about how drones can support your organisation, please get in touch.